Hello everyone, today we're reviewing Hailuo AI. Hailuo AI, developed by Chinese firm Minimax, specializes in creating ultra-quick animated video clips from text, images, or voice prompts. It's gaining attention for its vibrant physics-inspired visuals like diving cats with realistic fur and splash effects. It generates 720p and now 1080p HD with V2 videos in seconds, often cheaper than competitors like Google Veo 3 or Kling AI. New users get 1000 credits and daily free credits after trial. Enables text-based camera controls like pan, tilt, or zoom, plus image-to-video ability. It has frame-by-frame physics create realistic motion like fur, swish, or water splashes. Also, it supports mixing text, images, and voice prompts. Now better interprets English and other languages. It has a minimalist UI, ideal for beginners and rapid social content creation. Some users reported limited to 60-second too brief for long-form storytelling. Also, feedback indicates a decline in transcode fidelity, hallucinations, weird distortions, especially post-updates. Free users report long wait times, hours to days quality dips also noted. Free tier adds watermarks, commercial use is restricted even on paid plans, and no API access or deep editing controls for power users. It has a free plan, standard plan at $9.99 a month, or Unlimited Pro, which is from $59 to $95 per month. So, Hailuo AI is ideal for content creators, marketers, and educators needing quick, visually engaging short videos for social media, or users who want beginner-friendly tools with cinematic flair. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.